Gaffer is a lighting add-on that lets you download and use over 700 free HDRIs from Polyhaven. It's a lot of fun in Cycle's rendered mode to flip through all the possible HDRIs. But previously, remembering which HDRIs you liked could be tricky. But now there's a bookmark feature. To use it, just click on this heart icon anytime you want to bookmark an HDRI. Then when you're done selecting the HDRIs that you like, simply enable the filter and it will only show you those that you've bookmarked. If necessary, you can rotate the HDRI without having to fiddle with nodes. You can also easily change the brightness, tint and other values. Another cool feature is that you can aim lights at the 3D cursor or on the active object, and then control their strength and color from the interface.